In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide friend list on Instagram. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign in to your account. Go ahead and head over to your profile once you're signed into your account. Your profile, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to settings and activity. Now, go ahead and head over to account privacy. And here, go ahead and make sure to enable private account. There is no available options on Instagram that will allow you to hide your following and follower list on the platform. The only thing that you can do is to make your account private, and this will allow you to limit those individuals who can view your following and followers list on the platform. Although this feature is not yet available on Instagram, we'll probably look forward on the future of the platform having this feature, and that's how you can simply hide friend list on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.